Hello everyone, this is Rajesh in Bangalore, and it's a real delight to do this morning walk in the campus of Ramaya Institutions, which is located in a place called Matikeri. I remember it also used to be called Gokula Extension when I was working in Bangalore. I still am so much associated with Bangalore, and I'm taking you through the different institutions within this complex. On the right is the university. I have little knowledge about this place, but now I recall there is a medical institution, there is an engineering college, and now I understand, and I also saw some of them. There are sports institutions, Ayurveda, pharmacy. It's so wonderful. MSR Anita Pattabhiram. And wow, the statue of Ram, Sita and Lakshman. I'm amazed by the grace and beauty of this place. I thought it has an engineering college and a medical college, but there are so many more beautiful buildings and institutions. So on the one side we had the statues of Vigraha of Sri Ram, Sita ji and Lakshman ji, and here this is Lord Krishna. I'm in this place because my father-in-law is admitted. He was in ICU for a few days and now he's recovering. And whatever experiences I had in this hospital are beyond words. The staff, the nurses, the attendants, they are also amazing. They serve the patients so happily without caring for any appreciation. And the place is maintained so beautiful, immaculately clean, and the service is so prompt. This is my experience, honest experience. So I walked from the hospital. I think it is called the Corporate Hospital, and it has a collaboration with Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. And now I think I have come to the end of the campus. Perhaps this is the gate I'm approaching, and this must be the local town community. Yes, so expectedly this is called Ramaya Educational Institutions, and the shops and the residences around the campus. Before coming to know about the Ramaya Hospital, I also want to say some very good words about Aspars Hospital, where my wife underwent a surgery. That is located in Infantry Road, and that's another beautiful place. Another place where I can safely accord 9 or 10 out of 10 for the quality, for the excellence. I'm eternally grateful to Dr. Pratima Reddy, who performed the surgery on my wife. She is so amazing, so graceful, so talented, and her team of doctors were equally efficient and effective. So this is called National Institute of Advanced Studies, another place I discovered here. And now I am going back, so I'll show you all the buildings. Oh, this is Ramaya Gate 11. So you can imagine there are 11 gates. So it is indeed a very large campus with engineering college, medical college, pharmacy college, Ayurvedic institution, sports university or college. This is White Lotus Girls Hostel, MSRE College, MSRIT Road. Also the road itself is called MSRIT. And then there is this Bank of Baroda, post office. Is it not like a mini township and maintained so well? No wonder MS Ramaya College of Engineering is rated as one of the best, and I'm sure the medical college also must be ranking as one of the best, because in the early years when these colleges would take students on donation, on capitation fees, it did not have the best reputation. But everything seems to be totally different now. Again, I am back to this beautiful building with the beautiful Vigra of Lord Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Ram. Such nice verdant greenery. And before I wrap up this video, again I would like to say that we brought our father-in-law, who is in his mid-80s. He was very sick, suffering from some severe infection, and now he is almost recovered, and we are just waiting for him to be discharged. So thank you so much.
No. They have formal blazers and all.
Thank you so much, Ramaya Hospital, and the staff and the doctors and the nurses. This has really been a delightful experience.
Hey,
Amazing building. It looks like made, constructed on the pattern of Vedant Sauda, which is a landmark monument institution in Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka. So almost approaching the hospital, which I'll capture in this video. And then we will wrap it up. I would like to re-emphasize about my impressions of a Sparsh Hospital in Infantry Road, where I was for a few days attending to my wife, and that was another delightful experience. So I'm beginning to say that Bangalore is such an amazing role model with all these incredible places and a hospital where service is so important. Right. If I read this, Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, and then there are these medical college hostels, pharmacy block, Indic Restoration Hospital, hospitality management block, nursing block, dental block, International Medical School, Memorial Hospital, University House. Wow. So there seems to be an international hospital institution too. And on the other side, Heritage Block, School of Social Sciences, School of Law, and Gate 11, which we went to. So, incredible. I'm so happy, and I'm really enjoying this beautiful morning walk. If you come out of the hospital building, on the other side there is a bustling township. I never imagined that Matikeri would have grown so big, and there are all kinds of famous eateries and restaurants like Subway and Bhartiya Jalpan, Pizza Hut, and many such places. Yeah, this is faculty of, no, this is the hospitality management building. And this is Ramaiah Indic Speciality Ayurvedic Restoration Hospital. The next one is Ramaiah Medical College Hospital. And I'm about to enter the specialty hospital, the corporate hospital, where my father-in-law is recovering. And so the video is already 15 minutes, close to 15 minutes. That means I've been walking for the last 15 minutes. It's about 8 minutes walk from one end to another in this stretch, and I'm sure there are other stretches also. So thank you, Ramaiah institutions, everyone who is working here, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to to say all this, and I really remember you all with gratitude and thanks. Take care. See you all.